My research mainly focus on wireless communications and especially on the baseband processing. The main product I use is the YTTEK SDR platform. Communication theory is difficult because it involves a lot of mathematical knowledge. So the challenge of our teaching is how can we let students understand the theory. Experiment is one way to solve the problem. With YTTEK SDR platform, students can do experiments easily. Students can adjust the parameters of transmitter and the parameters of the receivers and observe the response of the whole system. This is greatly helpful for their understanding of communication theory. I summarize the three features of the platform. First, it is very easy to use. The methods we use for simulations can be directly applied to the platform, almost without modifications. Second, the platform can conduct experiments with wire speed. And this is important because we can observe the high-speed channel behavior. And finally, we can conduct the real-time experiments. And this is also important because we can have the many real-world applications. I will recommend YTTEK platform to other professors.
YTTEK, tomorrow's wireless, today.